Oregon State Police, this is Eva.
Hello, who's this again?
Oregon State Police, how can I help you?
Oh, yeah. I was going to report a possible poaching situation.
Okay, where at?
I believe it's in Saddle Mountain, but this gentleman that we're friends with on Facebook just keeps posting pictures of animals every other day, and I think he's shooting multiple ones.
Okay.
And I know that he shot one today and yesterday, and he posted on it.
All right, and then you said you think he's out of Saddle Mountain is where he's doing this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see, and what county is that?
Saddle Mountain? It might be Clatsop County.
Okay. Yeah, let's see. Is it east of Gerhardt by quite a ways in the woods?
No, I know that it's on the way to Seaside and it's on the right side after the tunnel.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, I guess it could be that. If you're taking Highway 26, let me see.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. We're in the right area then. That's okay. And then what is the name of this friend?
His name is John, and his last name is Saephan, Saephan, and then if I could stay anonymous, that'd be good.
Absolutely. And you said last name is spelled S like Sam, A-E, P like Paul, H-A, N like Nora, H?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. And then let's see. Do you know his date of birth by chance? Does Facebook tell you that?
I don't. I just know that he drives like a dark blue Tundra, like a Toyota Tundra, dark blue Tundra. And I know for sure that he shot multiple because he's been posting it on his Facebook Live like pretty much every other day ever since the season started.
Okay, so he's doing like live streaming.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty much himself. Yeah, he's doing live streaming, posting pictures of various days because one day there's snow, one day there's rain. So it's not the same day, it's not the same animal.
Okay. And then do you know, probably not, but do you know the plate on his vehicle? Just so I can say I asked.
I don't know.
That's okay. Sometimes people have pictures of their trucks in their profile, so I just wanted to see. And then what kind of animals is he posting about shooting?
Elk.
Okay.
So they're the cow. So he has a cow tag. I think he has the 3-month cow tag, whatever they call it. But I know that he's been hunting like since November, and then I think it's supposed to end like in March or something.
Okay.
But yeah, he has that long 3-month duration cow tag, whatever.
Okay. And is he posting about shooting cow or cow elk, or is he shooting other animals as well?
Just the cows. But he's like posting with he's posting with the animals like every other day with like different animals, different locations. Like that.
All right. And then you said you wanted to be anonymous. Do you want to give a phone number in case a trooper has any questions?
No, that's fine.
That's okay. And then let me see. I just want to make sure I'm not missing anything.
I have a Facebook, but it's on private.
Okay.
There's screenshots of people sending around that he shot 2 elks in the same day on the same road.
People are taking screenshots of his posts?
Yeah.
All right. And where are they posting the screenshots?
They're just like texting it around. Like have you seen this guy posting all these animals, all that stuff. So it's like in group text and stuff.
Okay. All right. I will go ahead and get this over. Do you have his profile pulled up?
I have his. So he blocked me.
Gotcha.
He blocked me from before. I have the name of his profile, so I don't know if you guys are able to see that. So his first name is John, John, and space, and then Mienhnzung, and I think that should pull him up.
Okay, let me see. I think that's different than the last name I had because it looks like you said it was John Safon. What was the one you
Yes,
just
his
had?
real name. So that the one I just gave you is his Facebook profile.
Oh, I see. Okay. And then can you give me his last name on Facebook again? The just the one on his profile.
Yeah. So the name is under John and then space and then Mien and then Nzung.
All right, and I'm gonna repeat that back. It was M like Mary, IE, N like Nora, H, N like Nora, Z like zebra, U, N like Nora, G like George.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
And then it's like Yamaha or something at the end or something.
Okay. Is
John?
it
Yeah. And then,
John Mienzung Yamaha?
yeah.
Okay. All right. And then when was the last post that he made?
Today.
Okay.
About 30 minutes ago. It was on his Facebook story.
And then he blocked you after that?
Well, he always blocked me. He's always blocked me from way before. But other people screenshot it and send it to me and they're like, "Have you seen this?" I was like, "Well, I don't really care, but that's not right."
Okay. All right. I will go ahead and get this over because you're staying anonymous. We won't be able to get like screenshots or anything from you. But if you call and want to send those over, just give us a call back, and we'll go ahead and pull it up and reference what you're talking about.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks so much.
Or is there a way I can send it in anonymously?
Unfortunately not. We don't have a way to like text it in or anything. It would be a trooper giving you a call and getting the screenshots sent to them.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Cool.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Bye.